What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Girl Refuses to Get Out of Her Car, Ends Badly. So let's get into this video. Let's see what these guys are actually talking about.
345, we're at a house at Archer and
280 and 51. 10-4.
roll down all your windows.
What?
You were driving all crazy all the way down W.
No, I was not driving crazy. You see
10-8.
me use my signals, didn't it?
Yeah, and you cut off the big old truck. You were going like
I cut off a big
50
truck
miles
and I
an
got
hour.
in front of him.
License registration, please. For careless
That's
driving.
not. No, I'm parked. You cannot pull me
Yes,
over
I
if
can.
I'm parked.
License
No,
and registration, proof of
No,
insurance.
you cannot. You
Give me
can't
your
pull
license.
me over in my yard, sir.
License and registration, or I'm going to pull you out the car.
Sir, no, you're not going to pull
Yes,
me out.
I am.
No, you're not. No, you're not at all.
Give me your
I'm
license
parked
and
in my car.
registration.
I'm parked on my property, sir.
It is a legal traffic stop. Now give me your license and registration. For careless driving.
You touch your lights when I'm already in my yard.
For something I observed on W. Now give me your license and registration.
On W.
I couldn't catch up because you were going 60.
I was not going.
Man, I hate bystanders, man. Shut the heck up. Shut up. Y'all in the back seat bark. This ain't even got nothing to do with y'all in the back, man. This is between the officer and the driver. Shut up.
60.
License and registration.
You should have turned on your lights. Exactly.
Give me your license and registration. You're going to get out and you're going to go to jail.
No, I'm not. You got to pull me up out of here.
All right.
You was true. But I'm going to give you my license and registration.
I would have greatly appreciated it because you can talk yourself into going to jail right now.
Way back.
What? What's your problem?
You should have been back there. You should have
Yeah.
turned on your lights back there.
I couldn't catch up.
No, that's not the law.
All right. Well, I appreciate your passion for the law, but you are ill-advised.
No, you're ill-advised because you're using your power.
All right. License and registration.
That's not my car. You can pull it up, run the tag.
License and registration.
Pull the tag.
Okay. License then.
I just sat here and told you that. What I got to keep repeating myself for. There you go.
All bark, no bite. She gave up that ID, didn't she, huh? It sound good in front of her friends. She don't want
she
no
was going.
smoke.
She smashed off south on, I think it was T Street, and then she turns right, comes out to W. I catch up, and she was fixing to turn right. She had ran that stop sign already, and then after she ran that stop sign, she decided she wasn't going to turn right anymore. She whipped it left, cut a car off, and then she smashed it again. She's going like 65. I'm just keeping her in sight, and then she cuts off this giant truck and whips down Pleasant.
What's the deal? She got a bad license or something?
I don't know. I'm running it. I don't know what the deal is. Oh shit! I'm on 7. 3. 26. You copied to Florida 28 27 Echo Lima.
27 Echo Lincoln.
26. Thank you.
Expired or special
It's just a normal tag.
Go ahead, get her out and we'll get Larry to come over here. Roll down this window.
Hey, stop pulling on my door, sir.
Yeah, open the door. Step out of the
No,
car.
I'm not getting out my car. You do not have the right to search my car.
I'm not
giving you the right. None of that.
You don't
No.
have to step out.
No, I'm not. I'm not stepping out. Not at all. No, I'm not. No,
You don't.
I'm
You
not.
will be going to jail.
No, no.
Step out of the car.
Tell
You're
me
gonna go to
what's the
jail.
reason why I got to get out.
3:45. I'm on 7. Step out of the car. Unlock the car.
No.
Okay.
No.
I don't know what happened. I ran it as a 2024 tag and it came up. It looks like
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
come out the car. You need to come out the car. I'm only gonna say it one more time.
Get out the car.
If you don't come, I'm busting this window. You come out.
No, y'all not finna bust out my window.
Yes,
no.
I will.
No, you're not. For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
What is your probable cause?
Get out of the.
What is your probable cause?
I smell away from over here too.
What is your probable cause for busting out my window?
Get out of the car.
What is your probable
when you come
cause?
out of the car. Come out. Get out of. I'm not.
No, cause y'all is not. You was invading my rights. I know my rights. No, you cannot. You cannot. You're invading my rights.
Chill out. Chill out.
No.
Get out of the car.
What the fuck?
Put your hands back. Oh, that's weird. Weird.
What the fuck? Why are y'all?
Just go catch him.
Why are y'all fucking arresting me? I need to call my mom.
Grab that, man. Grab it.
Why are y'all arresting me? Why are y'all doing this? Chill out. Chill out.
This is great. Got weed all in the car. Yep, take a.
Can I get my shoe?
No.
Come get me. Come get me.
It's too late for that.
In jail for what? I ain't even
You
resist
got.
y'all.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Shut your mouth.
I didn't even resist y'all.
Yes, you
That's
did.
crazy. And that's fucked up.
How you gonna turn the lights on? How you gonna turn the lights
Y'all, if y'all turned the lights on the nigga when the nigga was already in the yard.
Get a turn the lights on right now.
That is abusing y'all power, bro. Like on G. And you sitting here slanging me and stuff.
Get your
Can I get my other shoe?
I ain't vote my 50 minutes. I ain't vote my 50 minutes. Come on here.
You already grabbed the weed.
Yep. You saw it. Got out the cup. Fell out of the cup.
Yep.
And she kept trying to step on it too.
All right. You got anything else on your person?
Can I get my shoe, please, sir?
I'm asking if you have anything else on your
No,
person.
I don't have nothing on my person.
All right, because it gets into jail, it's another felony charge.
Can you tell my, who you give my keys to?
Your brother, like you asked.
Can you tell him to go pick up my girlfriend for her job, Sunshine Learning Center?
Yeah, will
Can
do.
you get my phone out the car?
You can cut her loose once Collier's through.
Please, sir.
There's your shoe.
Please. Ow! Hey, can you tell that dude right there in that car?
Nah, son. Nah, he a savage. He threw the shoe at her. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. But I understand they don't want to be nice to her just because she been giving them a hard time the whole time. You know what I'm saying? That was crazy though. That's funny. That's funny.
You need to call my girlfriend right there talking to your buddy.
What have you done that makes you think that I deserve to give you any favors?
Sir, I was just trying to understand.
No, you weren't. You were trying to obstruct because you didn't want to go for that weed.
No. Oh, no. I go for the weed. It's not even.
You are going for the weed.
I understand.
And the obstruction.
I was not trying to obstruct you. I promise you. I have been in trouble before, and I have vowed to myself not to get back in trouble, bro.
Well, you broke that vow.
And I know I broke that vow to myself.
So you taking a ride?
Oh my God.
He ain't trying to hear nothing she got to say.
I gave you a million chances to do this cordially, and at every opportunity, you decided to go a different way. So this is the way it's going now.
I'm trying to understand. I don't know my law like you.
I know you don't. That's what I tried to explain to you.
We pull into the yard and stop. He's right there. Probably where them people standing at the end.
That doesn't matter.
It's cool.
Bro, come here.
It's cool. Please go get my girl. Go get Dominique. Go get Dominique.
Are you okay? You good?
Yeah, thank you.
I will ask you. I took my phone and shit.
Hey man, you can have the car and everything in it.
Oh, the keys is in the back.
Sunshine Learning Center.
There you go.
Hey, it was on
Sunshine
ground.
Learning Center. Go get Dominique. Before you pull up, can you tell my brother to go get my girl from Sunshine Learning Center?
We already told her.
Okay, right now.
See?
Follow her. Follow him.
Quit screaming, please.
Sorry about that.
Tell him to hurry up and go get her.
Quit yelling, please.
Can you please let me do it?
No.
Like, that's crazy, man.
345, 1915.
Like that.
To TAC, copy beginning.
I ain't attack nobody.
I said TAC, it's short for the Tactical Office.
38.
That's where we're going to go write your report.
That's crazy, man.
I ain't say you attacked nobody. You just obstructed.
Justice.
Yeah, you did
No, I
obstruct.
didn't. Y'all, how 5-6 men gonna help? How I'm attack 5-6 men my little short self?
Obstruction without violence is a charge.
Like a resistance.
Alright, you can stop talking now.
Y'all sitting here trying to.
Because you don't know your law. We already established that. You don't know what in the hell you're talking about. You go into jail and you'll find out. It'll all be written in your arrest report. For your felony narcotics and your obstruction.
Taina was charged with felony possession of drugs and resisting an officer without violence. Her total cash bond was set at $3,000, which she made. Earlier this month, on July 8, 2025, she pled not guilty on both charges and was found guilty on the resisting charge, while the felony possession charge was dropped. She was sentenced to 36 months of probation, a 6-month suspension of her driver's license, and 50 hours of community service.
Wait, how long? 30? Wait, how many months?
Violence. Her total cash bond was set at $3,000, which she made. Earlier this month, on July 8, 2025, she pled not guilty on both charges and was found guilty on the resisting charge, while the felony possession charge was dropped. She was sentenced to 36 months of probation, a 6-month...
Oops, man, I'm muted. But anyway, I think stuff like that is for like people with their first like offense. You know what I'm saying? Getting probation and stuff like that. For people that have been repeat offenders and you in and out of jail and stuff like that. Like, come on, you gotta at least get hit with a year. At least get 12 months in the county. At least get 12 months in the county, man. Yeah, these people they gonna be back. They gonna be back. I rate the officers, man. I think they was a little hostile. But at the end of the day, they did get the job done. So I give them like a 3, satisfactory. They can't be in the 4 or 5 range, but I give them a 3.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.